Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the feast of St. John the Baptist. We're all well aware of the story of John the Baptist, how the Gospel of Luke says that the announcement of his birth and that his birth itself were paralleled to the birth of Jesus, how he was a preacher in the wilderness, living a life of asceticism and preaching about the need for repentance in preparation for the coming of Jesus, how he baptized Jesus, and how he met his death by beheading. What I want to focus on briefly today is how John the Baptist was a herald of Jesus Christ. And what I mean by that is, as a herald, John the Baptist was one who prepared the way for the coming of the Lord. He did that by bearing witness to Jesus through his preaching, through his words, and also by the example of his life, by the example of his passion and commitment to God's way, to God's path. And so John the Baptist is an example for us of what it means to be a herald of Christ. We too are called to be heralds, just as John the Baptist was. We do that by our words, by what we say to one another, by what we say to the world. We do so, however, even more by the example of our lives. By the way we live, we show what it is like to be a follower of Jesus. We show what it's like for the reign of God to be present and exist in our world. And so this feast of St. John the Baptist reminds us of what it means to be a follower, what it means to be a herald, what it means to prepare the way of the Lord. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day today.